Hello and welcome. This is Nasim from nasimreza.com. As a full-time freelancer, always I want to increase my client list. Always I need more client, more work, right? So if you have a online business, for example, you that could be your service selling, that could be your e-commerce like this. Always you want to increase your sales or lead. Okay, so how you can do that? So always customer or visitor want to purchase your product, but before that they want to discuss with you. For example, as a freelance, always my customer or visitor or my client actually wanted to contact with me. They want to know more about myself and my services. And if you have a business like e-commerce, always they want to know about your product or your service, whatever it is. So if you add a feature like chatbot, for example, here I can you can see the Facebook Messenger chatbot. So if you add a chatbot like this, that will help you to increase your sales. How? Just think, when your website is live 24 hours, of course, but you are not available all time. Someone can visit when you sleep. They will visit your website, and if they have any query or anything that they want to know from you, they can easily ask on the chat box, and the chat box will give the answer. This actually the system will very cool, and it will increase your sales. That's why I found a solution called customerly.io. This is AI based customer service solution that you can trust. Here you can see, when you sleep but your website is active, someone visit your website and they will click on this button and they will try to add to start conversion like this. So this is, you can say, this is an example. For example, I can input hi, and here you can see this is the AI will answer automatically instantly. Okay, so that's mean they will help the customer give the answer, and it's not only for one language. You can see it's globally customer AI actually, it support multiple languages. So that's mean if your business are globally, then that will help you to increase your business. And this is all are AI included. So that mean your answer is not pre-setted. You, this AI will instantly answer based on your customer ask. So how cool is this, right? Yes, so you can definitely use these tools for your business increaseness. Okay, I hope you understand how cool this feature is. And this is Nasim Reza that I wanted to show you how these tools will increase your business. So I just want to give you an live example. So this is my demo website, and this is my own website that I didn't add my service. This is another company. I don't know about this website, this business. That's thing. Here you can see this guy are selling the book, And here is the button he added. And anyone, anytime, come to this website and ask anything on them. And this guy will increase the lead. So this is very useful feature I found from online. So if you want, you can get access of these tools. I don't have any affiliate link on of this tool, so this is my honest opinion about this tool. If you want, you can buy it and you can integrate with your website. Okay, and if you really love this video, you can subscribe my channel and you can follow me. I will publish this kind of useful video every day. So I believe all of the video will be related to online business and how you can grow and how you can improve and how you can set up ad like this, because I am a digital marketer and I am helping people to grow their business. Okay, so that's all for today, and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.